right, so this used to be a 6th grade target, but it's not anymore. They just expect you to know this. So I'm going to go through coordinate plane. We're going to plot points in all 4 quadrants of a coordinate plane. So first, a little vocab. So the coordinate plane is a 2-dimensional surface formed by 2 number lines. So when I say coordinate plane, I'm talking about this baby right here. This is a coordinate plane. It's made up of 2 number lines, a vertical number line and a horizontal number line. The 2 axes meet at a point called the origin. The coordinate plane is used to graph points, lines, and more. So the origin is where the graph starts. It is right smack dab in the middle. And the coordinates of the origin, so that it's called the origin. Think origin story. It's the beginning. And the point is 0, 0. That's the origin. All right, the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis runs horizontally. Okay, so that's the x-axis. So we're going to label that x-axis. If you're ever not sure, normally it's labeled. It's got a little x next to it. The y-axis runs vertically. Remember, vertically means up and down. If you're standing up, you are vertical. If you're laying down, you are horizontal. So the y-axis runs vertically, and I'm going to have to turn sideways here. This is our y-axis. And look here, it's also got a little y to label it. All right, quadrants. These are, excuse me. Together, the y and the x axes split the plane into 4 sections called quadrants. So we have 4 quadrants. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. So it moves counterclockwise. We start here and we go this way. It moves counterclockwise. So quadrant 1 is top right, quadrant 2 is top left, 3 is bottom left, and 4 is bottom right. So an ordered pair, that is a set of 2 numbers used to locate a point on the coordinate plane. So right here we have, what did I just do? Okay. So right here we have an example of an ordered pair. It has parentheses, it has 2 numbers, and a comma in between. So that's an ordered pair. The way we use the ordered pair, the first number is our x value, the second number is our y value. The x tells me to move right or left. The y tells me to move up or down. Okay? So x, because it's a positive value, that means I'm going to move right. So I'm moving right 2. So I'm going to show you with a highlighter the movement here. So I start at the origin, and I'm going to move right 2 spaces. Now the 4 tells me to move up. If it was a -4, I'd move down. So I'm going to move up 4 spaces. I'm going to show you with my highlighter. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, and then I'm going to draw a point right there. So for now, you can use the highlighter to show your path, but eventually I want you to do it without the highlighter. Okay? All right. This one, we have a -3 for my x and a +5 for y. So that means I'm moving left 3 and up 5. So I start in the middle, the origin, always. Use a smaller highlighter. So I'm going to go left 3. I'm not lining it up. So 1, 2, 3. Left to -3. and then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to draw a point at the 5. So that is -3, 5. All right, next one we got +6, which means I'm going to go right 6 and down 7. +6, -7 means right 6 and down 7. So start at the origin, going right to 6 and down to 7. Ooh, easier said than done. Right there. Okay, so if you're not sure, these numbers don't exactly line up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So I did it right. All right. This one has a 0 for the x. The x value is 0. That means I don't move left or right. Okay, so that means I stay at the origin. I don't move left or right. And now the y tells me to go down 3. So I'm just going to go down 3 right here. That's my point. That is 0, -3. All right, so you got -5, -8. That means I move left 5 and down 8. So I'm going to go left to 5, show my path with my highlighter. Left 5 and down 8. And then I make a point. So that's -5, -8. This one, it's a -9, so I go left 9 and up 8. So let's get my highlighter. Going left 9 and up to 8, which is kind of hard to do. And then we put our point. -9, 8. All right, so see if you can do 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now, once you did those, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, we're going to reverse it. We're going to look at a point and see if we can say what the coordinates are. So this point is right. I'm going to use a different thing. So it looks like we're going right 1, 2, 3, right 3, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right 3 means +3, and up 7 means +7. So the coordinates of the point are 3, 7. So you're giving the coordinates or the ordered pair. That's the same thing. All right, this one, we are going left. So we're going -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got -6 and up 1, 2, and 3. So -6, +3. That's our coordinates. I'm going to do one more of these. All right, so C. Uh-oh. Well, I guess I'm not going to do any more, actually. was going to try to. Oh, here we go. It's back. Okay, so I'm going to do, actually, I want you to do 13 and 14 on your own, and then 20. Sorry, not 13 and 14. Yeah, you're doing 13 and 14, and then 15 and 16 I'm going to do. So E is on the y-axis. So that means I didn't move left or right. So my first coordinate, my x coordinate is 0 because I didn't move left or right. But I did go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I went up 6. So my coordinates for that are 0, 6. If it's 0 and a number, it's going to be somewhere on the y-axis, okay? And then the next one has the opposite problem. We moved right, but then we didn't move up or down. So we moved right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our first number is 9. And did we move up or down after that? No, we did not. So it's 0. So if 0 is your y coordinate, that means your point is going to be on the x-axis. All right, so try and finish up the rest of these on your own, and good luck.